So before we go into break, we're getting a lot of questions now from young people who are taking their entrances to get into engineering, medical or management colleges. Now, for those of you who are looking to process a student loan over the next month or so, we've put together a guide of all of the documents that you'll need and, of course, all the interest rates available in the market right now. Take a look.
You are part of a young new generation of Indians who are ready to take the world on. And if your ambition fuels you to conquer new territory, don't let money stand in the way. Indian banks now have several strong student loan programs designed to help you achieve your full potential. The process is fairly simple. To begin with, you need guarantors with a regular source of income.
As I said, up to 4 lakhs under the IVA education loan scheme, collateral is not, the banks are not supposed to insist on a collateral for loans up to rupees 4 lakhs. Above 4 lakhs and up to 7.5 lakhs, the banks typically will settle for a guarantee from somebody with a regular income. Above 7.5 lakhs, apart from the guarantee, the bank would insist on a collateral.
The good thing about student loans is the prepayment period will only begin after you finish your course and find a job, although the loan begins accruing interest from day one.
You are expected to start repaying the loan, okay, within 1 year from the end of the course or within 6 months of starting a job, whichever is earlier. Till then you need not pay anything. Even in fact the interest can be accumulated. You need not pay it.
Here's a quick look at the interest rates banks are offering on education loans as of today. The rates on a loan above 7.5 lakh rupees vary anywhere from a minimum of 12.25% to a maximum of 16.25%. Certain PSU banks offer a discount of 0.5% on interest rates on loans to girls, and girls from scheduled castes and tribes get a discount of 1% on their loan rates. So now if you are applying for an overseas course, it is important for you to deal with your visa as soon as you can, as most universities require a confirmed admission and a proof of funding for the course you want to do before they hand you a visa. But the biggest worry for you is the currency risk.
The moment you get a job overseas and your income is in dollars, and now if rupee depreciates, now you get a benefit because your loan is been fixed in rupees, and therefore and if the dollar value, for example, appreciates, then you're getting more rupees for the same dollar, and therefore you will have a ability to pay off the loan much faster.
Student loans cover travel to place of study, living expenses, books and equipment. So make a good estimate of how much money you will need through the length of your course.
Alright, so if you have any questions about student loans, write to us on the email ID at the bottom of your screen. We're going to take a very quick break, but when we come back,